Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your exercise 14.4 and that is the mensuration 1. Let us start what will be your exercise. So first area of rhombus, that is the base into height, and here is the diagonal of a rhombus. Divide the rhombus into two equal triangles. Now third one is the area of triangle, that is the half base into height, and area of equilateral triangle, that is under root 3 by 4. This one under root 3 by 4 into side square. Now area of rhombus, it is the base into height, and the 1 by 2 first diagonal into second diagonal, and here we can say here it is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. Let us see here the area of trapezium. It is 1 by 2 sum of the parallel sides and distance between them, or we can say height. So you can say 1 by 2 b1 plus b2 into h. So area of circle, that is the pi into radius square. So we can say pi r square, where r is the radius and pi is 22 upon 7, or you can say it is 3.14. Now circumference of a circle, that is the 2 pi into radius, you can say 2 pi r, where pi is the 22 upon 7 or 3.14 approx. Let us start in your example number 10. So what is in your example? A rectangular frame of 90 meter in length, 65 meter in width. On all the four sides, there is path of 5 meter wide. Find the area of the path. So how can find the area of path? So let us see here. First of all, length of rectangular frame is equal to 90 meter, and the breadth, or you can say width, is equal to how much? It is 65 meters. So you can see here 65 meters. So area of rectangular frame. So area of rectangular, it is length into width. So length is given as 90 and it is 65. So multiply this, 9 5 ja 45, carries 4. It is 5850 meters squares. Now you can see the inner length. Inner length is, 5 meter is lessing here and 5 meter also lessing here. So that means the 10 meter lessing. So 90 minus 10, that is the 80 meter. It is your 80 meter, and the inner width, so you can see here, total is 65. So 10 minus, because 5 is here, 5 is here. So 10, that is the 55 meter. So you can find the area of inner rectangular frame. Area of inner rectangular frame. That is length into breadth. Length is given as 80 and the width is 55. So now you can multiply it. It is 400 meter square. So area of road is equal to, it is 5850 minus 4400 meter square. So now subtract this, 0 minus 0, that is 0, 5 minus 0, that is 5, and 8 minus 4, that is 4, and here is 5 minus 4, that is the 1. So that one is the 1450 meter square, and that one is your answer. Now come to the 11th example. The length of wall is 15.5 meter and the width is 9 meter. There are two doors. Always remember, two doors of size is given here and the two windows, so it is size is given. So what will be the cost of the white washing wall at the rate of 5 rupees per square meter? So let us start how can do this. So area of wall, first of all required area is equal to area of wall minus 2 into area of door minus 2 into area of window. So area of wall, length into breadth, so you can say 15.5 into 9. It is given here, it is 15.5 and it is 9 minus 2. Area of doors, you can say door is 2 doors, so it is multiplied by 2. So one door has 3 into 1.5. You can see here 3 into 1.5. So it is 3 into 1.5 minus 2 into area of window. Window is given as 2 into 1. So 2 into 1. So let us do what will be happen. It is 139.5 minus and it is 9 minus it is 4. So that becomes 139.5 minus 13. So subtract this, it is 0.5 and 9 minus 3 that is 6 and here is 3 minus 1 that is 2 and it is 1. So that is itne meter square ho gaya. Now rate is given, so you can write the rate. Rate is equal to rupees 5 per square meter. So total cost is equal to required area into rate. So required area is 126.5 or into 5. So it will be 632.5. 632.50 and that is the answer. And it is in rupees. Now come to the next question. Example 12. The length and breadth of a rectangular area is 35 meter and 24 meter respectively. There is a 2 meter wide rod along the length and 1 meter wide rod along the breadth. It is given in the figure. Now find the area of the rod. So let us do how can do this one. First of all, we find the area of rod along length. Area of rod along length. It is the length into breadth. Length is 35 and breadth is 2. So it is the 70 meter square. Now area of rod. Along breadth. That is the length into breadth, but length is 2 meter less because 2 meter is added in the length rod. So you can write here 2 meter less. So 24 minus 2 that is the 22. So 22 into 1 meter because it is 1 meter wide. It is 1 meter wide. So you can write 22. So 22 1 are 22 meter square. So total area of rod. Total area of rod is equal to 70 plus 22 that is the 92 meter square and that one is your answer. 25 centimeter long. So that one is the 25 centimeter. So you have to write 25 centimeter. This line is 25 centimeter. And the 10 centimeter wide, it is given as 10 centimeters and 25. So you can write here, it is 10 centimeter. Now, surrounded by 2 centimeter wide frame. So that one is the 2 centimeter. And it is also 2 centimeter. So outer length, that is the 10 and 2, that is 12 and 2, 14. So that one is the 14 centimeter outside. And it is 25 centimeters. So 2 centimeter is here. It is 2 centimeter and it is also 2 centimeter. So it becomes 29 centimeter. So first of all, inner area, that is length into breadth. Length is given as 25 and breadth is given as, where is the breadth? It is 10. So it becomes 250 centimeter square. Now outer area, it is also length into breadth, but length is now 29 and breadth is 14. So you can multiply to this one. It is 406 centimeter square. So only area of frame. So you can write here area of frame. It is outer area minus inner area. Outer area minus inner area. Outer area is given as 406 and inner is 250. Now you can subtract this one. So it is 6. Here is 10. 10 minus 5, that is the 5. Here is 3. 3 minus 2, that is the 1 centimeter square. So that will be your answer. Now come to the rectangular playground measure, that is the 35 into 25. It is 35 and it is the 25. Now 3 meter road wide along the length. ये length है, length के along में 3 मीटर की एक road बनाई हुई है इन्होंने. Now first of all we want to find the area of road. Area of road along length. Length, that is the length is 35 and wide is 3. So you can find 3 5 ja 15 and 1 3 3 ja 9 and 1 10 meter square. So that is the area of road along length. But now find the area of road along breadth. So you can say length is less the 3 meter here. So that is the total is 25 and less 3, so it becomes 22. So 22 into the width is 2 meters, so you can say it is 2, so it is the 44 meter square. So total area of road, total area of road, it is 105 plus 44 and that becomes 5 and 4, that is a 9 and 4, 149 meter square. So that one is your answer. Now come to the third question of this exercise. Now the basketball ground is 28 meters long and 15 meter wide. A 5 meter wide gallery for spectators has to be built on all its sides of the ground. Find the area of spectator gallery and the cost of the making of gallery of, that is the rupees 5.25 per square meter. So let us start. First of all, we can draw the figure. It is the field diagram. So it is the 28 and 15 meters and the outside the 5 meter is road. You can see here it is the spectator gallery. So you can see here the outer dimensions are 38 into 25 and it is the inner is 28 and 15. So let us find the area of inner field. That is length into breadth. So length is how much? It is 28 meter and the breadth is 15 meter. So you can multiply to this. It is 420 meter square. You can see here. Now area of outer field. Area of outer field. It is also length into breadth, but length is converted into 38. Why? Because 5 meter is increases on all the sides. So it is the 38 into it is 25. Now multiply to this. So we get outer area. So it is 950. So area of gallery we can find here. Area of gallery only. It is the outer area, so it is the 950 and minus inner area, that is the 420. So subtract this, 0 minus 0, that is 0, 5 minus 2, that is the 3, and 9 minus 4, that is the 5 meter square. Rate is given as, so you can write here rate. Rate is how much? It is the rupees 5.25 per square meter. Per square meter. Now total cost, you can find the total cost. Total cost is equal to area of gallery into rate. Now you can find here total cost. You can write here total cost is equal to area of gallery. You know area of gallery is how, but it is the 530. So you can write here 530 and into it is the 5.25. So we can calculate it rupees. It is 2782.50. So that one is your answer. Your exercise भी finished. ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी समाप्त हो रही है बच्चों. इसके बाद नीचे जो है आपका लाल रंग का ये बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे और कम से कम लाइक तो बनता ही है, मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे जिससे मैं आगे एक वीडियो और बना करके डालता रहूं. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.